Welcome back to CryptosRus. I'm George. We're all George. So I'm down in LA in my fancy trailer to talk about Bitcoin. What is going on with Bitcoin? Why the massive sell-off, the massive dump that brought Bitcoin below 60,000? Now it's barely clinging on to 60,300, something like that. So I know everyone wants to know why. There's really no reason. I've been hunting, my team has hunted. There's no specific reason why it went down today other than FUD. FUD around the distribution of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash that will happen next month by Mt. Gox. So this morning I covered that. Mt. Gox, the trustee, finally released a letter saying that the repayment that's been pending for 10 years, finally, it's going to start next month. And there's approximately $9 billion worth of Bitcoin and plus Bitcoin Cash that will be distributed. Now, some of you guys may be wondering, are they selling off to make cash to pay people back? Well, based on the whole history of it, at one point in time, that was offered. But the payment or the distribution that's going to happen next month, I read the letter, it's going to be in the form of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, not cash. So it does seem like people who opted cash probably were paid out already months ago. But what's going to happen is that $9 billion worth of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, 140,000 Bitcoin worth, will be going to creditors starting next month. And I think that's simply it. The FUD caused traders and speculators to panic, and they decided to dump. It's really that simple. I don't know what else there is. Maybe there's some selling by Mt. Gox, but again, according to the letter that the trustee put out, that's not the case unless there's other things going on. But besides that, there's really nothing else that explains today. Here's the good news. I just saw something I can't share with you right now, but I did see something that the last 3 times we had major dumps due to Mt. Gox fear, Bitcoin actually formed a bottom and headed higher. So is that going to happen again this time around? We know Bitcoin has been going sideways for 3 months. Today was really, well, I shouldn't say today we actually broke down further than we did before, because we did do that before. About a couple months ago, we actually broke down to 56,000. So we're not that low yet, and we're still above 60,000. So technically speaking, now we are still going sideways and still just basically waiting for that next leg to come. And when it does, people are not going to remember this anymore. Like I've been saying, when it comes to Bitcoin, when it comes to investing, you just have to have patience, right? There will be a lot of dips along the way. There will be a lot of FUD along the way. Every single cycle we get FUD, for sure. We even get black swan events. But nothing stops Bitcoin from moving further and higher in the end, right? So it's a really fearful time today. I know that. I was on the plane for 4.5 hours flying here to LA. And I try not to check the charts, and it kept going lower and lower and lower. Today's one of just days you just don't check the chart, or you turn off the computer, go do something else, right? We will get through this, so just stay strong, right? We don't know what's going to happen next month. I can only speculate that once Mt. Gox distributes the Bitcoin Cash, I don't think that everyone's going to be selling. Maybe people who get Bitcoin Cash will sell. But people that get Bitcoin, they're Bitcoin holders. They've been holding for so long. Why would they sell at a low point when they could wait for the cycle end, which is next year? They could be selling their Bitcoin at $200,000, $250,000, $300,000. So there's no guarantee that they're just going to get it and sell it. That's what speculators and traders are thinking, that everyone's just going to dump and it's going to be a massive, massive crash. But I just don't think it's going to be like that. Okay, and keep in mind the ETFs, they soaked up so much within such a short amount of time. So even if 140,000 Bitcoin was dumped on the market. Even if that happened, all simultaneously, we will recover from that. It's not Armageddon. It's not doomsday. It's not like Bitcoin's will crash to zero and then it'll be over. No, there will be plenty of long-term holders like me and you that will be taking advantage and DCAing. There'll be plenty on Wall Street like Michael Saylor and MetaPlanet from Japan. They will definitely be buying the dip. And of course, let's not forget BlackRock. Larry Fink, he's no fool. He continues to hold steady with IBIT. While all the other funds are draining, he is not. He is not letting IBIT have outflows, right? So, I know it's scary, guys. It is scary, but stay strong, stay focused, right? And more importantly, do not fall for FUD. That's really it. That's really it. All right, since I'm here in my brand new trailer, I might as well show you guys around. So I am on a set of Killer Whales. We're in a nice studio. I got my own trailer here, okay? Air conditioned with a bathroom and a little couch and an area I could show you guys around. And unfortunately, guess who I'm right next to? I'll let you guys guess, and I'll show you later. But let me get up a little bit. I'm gonna go outside. If I can figure out how to open this door. Yeah, that's who's right next to me. Unfortunately. Hey, we got a stranger here. He's just hiding out. Josh from Dirty Degens. He's with me. Let me zoom out a little bit. Got a couch area. We came here straight from the airport, so that's why all of our stuff is here, camera equipment and clothes and everything. There's myself, makeup, a lot of curling irons, I don't know why, microwave, fridge, got TV, and a little bathroom here. So it's a nice little trailer. So when I need to take a break, or if I need to stream, I could stream directly from here while I'm on set. So I could certainly do that. But yeah, these guys, they mean business. So yeah, I'm gonna be here for the rest of the week. I'll let you guys know how it is. Stay strong, stay focused, like I said. Don't let the FUD get to you. I know it's scary, I know it sucks, but right now it's all about having patience. DCA, 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 buy when things are low, and that's really it. That's really it. All right, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys later. If you want to comment on anything I've said in this video, make sure you head over to the Roundtable. The Roundtable is a new social media platform created for conversations. And best of all, it's spam-free, bot-free, unlike here on YouTube. And you could have conversations with me and others like Altcoin Daily, Scott Melker, Maro Nafal, and many others are joining daily. And you also get rewarded in tokens for doing so. So check out the new Roundtable. Click the link in the description below.